Here is how to create a private match in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. All you have to do is launch the game and select Black Ops 7 from the options that appear, and then scroll down and select multiplayer. Now from here, choose find a match, select that option, and then scroll down to the bottom and select private match. Choose that, and then select create a private match. Now there are a couple of things you can do. So first of all, you can invite players to that particular private match. So you can choose to invite in team 1 for team 1 or team 2. So select the team that you'd like to invite the players for. So if it's team 2, select that and select the plus icon, and then select invite player, and then find the player that you'd like to invite. So if it's your friends, you can simply invite them from here. Or if it's players that you recently met, you can select the recent section and then find the player that you'd like, select them, and then select invite to party, sorry. Now once you've invited all the players, now you can customize the game, the match to suit your need. So you can choose the mode that you'd like this particular private match to be. So select modes and then choose the mode that you'd like. So there's the standard mode or the alternate mode. So choose the option that you prefer. So let's say team deathmatch, select that. And then you can choose the map that you'd like that particular private match to happen. So let's say homestead, select that. And then from here, you can customize the rules. So select rules, and there's a lot of rules you can customize. So you can customize the game rules, which includes the time limit, the score limit, and all the other options. You can customize the player rules, which includes the number of lives and all the other options that are currently available. So customize it to suit your needs. Also the team rules, the gameplay rules, and also advanced rules. And once you've customized each and every rule to suit your need, you can simply go back, and also you can choose to enable spectating by enabling the codecaster option. So select that, and then you can customize the visual section, the camera section, and the keybind section. Now once you've done everything, all you have to do is simply click on start a match, and now you can start your private match. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.